Do you own a manufacturing plant or do you manage a manufacturing plant? Do you face some production problems and look for simple and effective solutions for them? Do you want to adapt your plant to Industry 4.0 for less production cost, better quality products, shorter production cycles, and more efficiency at every production level? If you do, then here is a solution brought to you by UNIK Technologies. If you look at the factory, there are a lot of common problems, which are disruptions on the production line, delayed delivery, therefore causing unnecessary expenses. We sometimes cannot monitor the production line whether the machines are in production now or they are on standby condition. Was the production completed or needed to be in progress? How much time is required for a job order? We don't know these issues exactly and couldn't get accurate data from the documents. There is no notification when a machine stopped working frequently or when a breakdown occurred during the production. It took some time until the production was noticed, so neither the machine and equipment efficiency could be estimated nor the employees' efficiency. We don't know whether the employees worked efficiently during the shifts or they were causing disruptions. We don't even know if the breaks took longer than it should be. There is no real-time data for stock movements either. UNIK Technologies present to you one single, efficient and smartest solution to overcome all these problems. Our team will set and install our products on every machine, and we will install our application on your computers and mobile phones. Then you can monitor all production flow from your computer. You can plan job orders. You can manage all production processes accurately. You can even monitor these using your mobile phone when you're at home or when you're on vacation. When a machine breaks down, you and your maintenance team will get notified immediately following that. Your team can respond to the failure by arranging a repair process. Once the repair is done and machine starts working, you will get notified on your application. Once a smart factory solution is installed at your factory, there is no more mess in warehouses generating questions like how many products or supplies are there in warehouses? How many of them will be transferred? All stock transfers can be monitored and managed by batch management of our applications. Every break of employees is recorded to the system. After a work day or at the end of the week or after a month, the efficiency of employees can be analyzed by a request. A report attached to a graph is generated. In addition to this report, you can analyze manufacturing workstations, machine status on those workstations, production orders, overall equipment effectiveness, and more. In this way, you can get exact estimations about the delivery costs. And also, you can decide the maintenance schedule of the machines to increase productivity. Your production problems will be solved and your plant's profitability will increase significantly with the best solutions of MetaSmart Factory, which is represented by UNIK Technologies in India. This will give you an edge over your competitors. Well, what is MetaSmart Factory? It is an intelligent manufacturing, management, and execution system making use of industrial Internet of Things to communicate with machines. Using the internet cloud computing to keep all data securely in cloud, real-time big data stream processing, data warehouse and machine learning to analyze big data in the cloud to generate meaningful visualizations, and lastly, SAP ERP integration to manage all production flow using SAP ERP module. It is an all-in-one solution, which is the combination of hardware of our industrial panel and software of our web and mobile applications. Our industrial panel helps to take data from machines to count the products which are produced and to display the state of machines, the job order, the employee for the job order, and a lot of other useful data. MetaWeb and mobile applications, on the other hand, help to monitor and manage production at every level, from planning to delivery everywhere using the internet. Our smart factory solution provides you shorter production cycles, a better quality of products, much more productivity, easy management of stocks, on-time delivery to customers, which altogether improves overall efficiency, reduce costs, and so increases profit with an affordable cost. UNIK Technologies brings the best and the smartest solution to your manufacturing plant. For more information, visit us at www.metasmartfactory.com or send an email to info@theunikgroup.com.